protect yourself. So how are you gonna protect us? By ditching us? By joining them? Is that it? Then you can just stay with them and never come back.
Oh wow. The coals are nice and hot. I mean, it feels so hot. And the compressor sounds a little bit later because it is hot outside. It also feels like 97 degrees outside. Mm. Yeah, it pulls so much head pressure, and now the coils is so hot. I can literally feel it. It's just way too hot. Yeah, it's working good.